Imagine a world where your smartphone is obsolete, replaced by a revolutionary AI device. This is the vision of Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, who aims to transform our daily tech interactions. Partnering with renowned designer Jony Ive, Altman is developing a ChatGPT-powered hardware device intended to supplant current smartphones. While specific details remain under wraps, Altman has confirmed that OpenAI's goal is for this innovative hardware to replace smartphones. This ambitious endeavor seeks to disrupt the smartphone market, much like Apple's iPhone did in 2007. With artificial intelligence at its core, the device could redefine how we perceive and use personal technology, potentially eliminating the need for screens altogether. As AI continues to evolve, the possibilities for such groundbreaking devices are limitless. Stay tuned as we follow this exciting journey into the future of technology. If you're excited about the future of AI and technology, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. For more insights into AI advancements, check out the related video in the corner.